Hi there, and welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to listen to local radio on an iPhone using a few simple methods that anyone can follow. Now let's get started. To begin, if you already use Apple Music, this might be the easiest option for you. Open the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Then, tap the search bar and type in the name of the local radio station you want to hear. From the results, just select the station, and it will start playing instantly. If you don't use Apple Music, don't worry. There are other great ways too. Go to the App Store on your iPhone. Type in apps like TuneIn Radio or MyTuner Radio and install the one you like. Once it's installed, open the app and use the search bar to find your favorite local station. Tap on the station and just like that, you're listening live. Another great option is using the official app of the radio station itself. Again, open the App Store and search for the name of the station you want to hear. If they have their own app, go ahead and download it. Then, open the app and tap on the live stream option. It's that easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tech tips.